My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. We are doing FSC Part 1 Mathematics, Inter Part 1, and we are doing exercise 9.4, Chapter 9, Fundamentals of Trigonometry. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and tell the others to subscribe as well. Press the bell icon button so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos. Mind you that I am doing only the short questions which appeared in last year's board's exams. Very important questions, okay? So first question I'll do is I'll write in red ink, okay, the questions. Prove that 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta equals to cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Right? Okay. So we'll take the left hand side. So 1 minus sine theta divided by cosine theta. You can take the right hand side as well to solve this question. Okay, rationalizing it. Okay. Right? So we multiply and divide by 1 minus sine theta. This time we rationalize the numerator. We multiply and divide by 1 plus cosine theta. Sorry, 1 plus sine theta. Divided by 1 plus sine theta, which is equals to 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta divided by cosine theta 1 plus sine theta. Right? So the numerator will be 1 minus sine square theta divided by cosine theta times 1 plus sine theta. Right? So 1 minus sine square theta is cosine square theta divided by cosine theta times 1 plus sine theta. You can clearly see that cosine theta got cancelled with cosine theta and we left with cosine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. Right, which is equals to the left hand side. Sorry, the right hand side. So it means that left hand side equals to right hand side. So it proves. So it is proved. Right. I hope you understand it well. Now do question number second. Is sine theta divided by 1 plus cosine theta k plus cotangent theta equals to cosecant theta only. Right. We'll try to take the complicated side first and equate it to the other. So we'll take left hand side this time, which is equals to sine theta plus divided by 1 plus cosine theta plus cotangent theta is cosine theta divided by sine theta. right? So we just take the LCM, sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. These two will be multiplied sine square theta and plus cosine theta times 1 plus cosine square theta. Right? So the numerator will be sine square theta plus, when we multiply these two, we got cos cosine square theta plus cosine theta divided by sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Okay, take the left hand side and we are solving it or simplifying it. Okay, so with equal to sine square theta plus cosine square theta is 1 plus cosine theta as it is and divided by sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. Right, so 1 plus cosine theta got cancelled with 1 plus cosine theta. We left with 1 over sine theta, which is equals to cosecant theta. So it means that left hand side equals to right hand side, so which proves our statement. So hence proved. We may write HP. Okay, this is the question number 2 of today. Now we'll move to the next question. So next question is we have to prove the identity. Okay, so cosine square theta, number 3 question. Minus sine square theta equals to 1 minus tangent theta, tangent square theta divided by 1 plus tangent square theta. Right? Okay, take the right hand side this time. So taking right hand side this time, which is equals to 1 minus tangent square theta divided by 1 plus tangent square theta. Okay, so now tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So it means that this may be written as 1 minus sine square theta over cosine square theta divided by 1 plus sine square theta over cosine square theta, which is equals to, now multiply these two. We have cosine square theta minus sine square theta divided by cosine square theta and the whole divided by cosine square theta plus sine square theta divided by cosine square theta. These two got cancelled. So we have on the numerator cosine square theta minus sine square theta divided by cosine square theta plus sine square theta. So which is equals to cosine square theta minus sine square theta. Right, divided by 1, which is equals to the left hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Implies it is proved or hence proved. I hope that you understand it well. And if anything is not clear, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number, which is written on the thumbnail of every video. So, and if you have some suggestions, you may pass on the suggestions on the same number. Right, come to question number 4. This is today's question number 4. Tangent square theta plus cotangent square theta equals to Right. Tangent square theta plus cotangent square theta equals to, right, secant square theta and cosecant square theta. Secant square theta times cosecant square theta. Okay. So taking left hand side again, tangent square theta, this is the whole square, okay. So tangent square theta plus cotangent square theta, rather it is cotangent theta, sorry. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta. So tangent theta plus cotangent theta, let me correct it if it is possible. Okay, I will write it clear. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta. This is square. Okay, then now come to the question. So left hand side is tangent theta plus cotangent theta, the square. Okay, so now the tangent theta may be written as sine theta over cosine theta plus cosine theta over sine theta. The square. Okay, so which is equals to, now multiply it, taking LCM sine theta cosine theta, and this will become sine square theta plus cosine square theta and the whole square. This will become 1 over cosine theta sine theta, the whole square, which is equals to 1 over cosine theta is secant theta, the square, plus 1 over sine is time. 1 over sine is cosecant theta, the square, which is right hand side. Okay. So left hand side equals to right hand side, hence proved. Right. Okay, come to the question number 5. Prove that secant theta plus tangent minus tangent theta, the whole square, equals to 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Right. Okay, come to this point. Taking left hand side, okay. Left hand side is secant theta minus tangent theta, the square. So which is equals to 1 over cosine theta minus sine theta over cosine theta, cosine theta, write the whole square. So it is equals to 1 minus sine theta, the square, divided by cosine theta, the square. So cosine theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. 1 minus sine theta, the whole square, divided by 1 minus sine square theta. So we can write 1 minus sine square theta as 1 plus sine theta divided multiply 1 plus cosine theta square equals to 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Right, so 1 minus sine theta got cancelled with 1 of the square is equals to 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta, which is equals to the right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So it is proved. It is proved. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for today's lesson. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and tell the others to subscribe as well. And if you want to ask me something or if you have some queries, just please send me a message on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. So thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for subscribing it. Thank you very much for watching my videos. And thank you very much. Allah आपका हामी और नासिर हो.